Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this simple tutorial we shall be looking at how to create fake unlimited Telegram account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Telegram account with a virtual number. So I would need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Telegram. This works on both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter the one that you're using. So in this case, all you need to do is to skip this option and then open your Google. And once you open your Google, then you enter temp SMS. Now once you enter temp SMS, you can see I recommend you to click on this link. And once you click on this temp SMS, you need to wait for a while as it is loading over here. So just wait for a while as it is loading for the available numbers. So you can see over here, you can see once you click on the link, you can see there are so many numbers over here. You can see Sweden, you can see Poland, different countries and their contact. Now in my case, I prefer United States, so I have to go for United States. So let me just go in for United States. So let me scroll to where I can find United States. So you can see over here USA. So just skip the ad. Once you click on that, you can see the number over here. So you can see USA temporary number. In this case, all you need to do is to click on copy, and you can see number copied. Now in this case, all you need to do is to paste the number over here. Just paste the number. Sorry, the number was not copied correctly, so just click on it and then copy the number. So all you need to do is to come and then paste the number over here. So once you have pasted the number, all you need to do is to click on create, and a verification code will be sent to you. So all you need to do is to refresh your page over here, and you can see refresh, and you can see the code over here. Now use this verification code to create your unlimited Telegram account. With this trick, you can create unlimited fake Telegram account without using your personal number. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a